Im Wald, dort steht a Hütte Licht und Chlor. Dort drinnen wohnt mein Dirndl, ganz Mutterseele allein. Dort drinnen wohnt mein Dirndl.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this brand new 2016 Dodge Charger RT Road and Track with a Super Track Pack. And this Dodge Charger is in pitch black clear coat. It has the black Alcantara suede with a Napa leather sport interior group. And this vehicle is rear wheel drive. It is powered by the 5.7 liter variable valve timing MDS V8 engine. Has the Torque Flight 8-speed, 8 HP 70 auto stick automatic transmission. As you can see, it does have the LED racetrack tail lamps with LED turn indicators. You have the RT Heritage badging, dual tip right exhaust, has the Park Sense rear parking sensors, paired with the Park View backup camera, which activates in reverse, and has active guidance lines.
Sein Weg führt jetzt zum Friedhof, dort liegt der große Feld.
You have the 20-inch painted and polished aluminum wheels on 245/45 ZR20 tires. The vehicle does have a power sunroof. Also has the driver confidence package, which includes the adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning with blind spot monitoring. Up front, you have xenon projector beam, high intensity discharge headlamps with LED turn indicators. We've also got the LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, Alright, and this vehicle is equipped with a remote start. To operate is easy. Just double press the remote start button on the key fob. And with a keyless enter and go smart key access system, to operate is simple, just by keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket. To lock the vehicle, simply locate the button on the top of the door handle. Horn will chirp and the vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply grab the handles to open it. And inside, we have power heated automatic dimming mirrors, power windows and power door locks, 2 driver memory. We've also got the 10 speaker 552 watt Beats audio system. Eight-way power driver and passenger seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. You've also got your power adjustable pedals. Perforated Alcantara inserts with the Napa leather, RT embroidery. Also have your automatic headlamps and fog lamps, panel dim, ambient light dim, and remote trunk release. Leather wrap, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel with audio controls. Alright, panning through the interior just a little more detail. You have your satin silver accents, 7-inch multi-view display controllers. You connect Bluetooth controls. You also got your cruise control and your adaptive cruise controls. And looking at the 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Right now it's in the performance control screen. But it does have your AM/FM, Sirius XM satellite radio. You connect medias. And your controls, you have your heated seat controls, ventilated seat controls, and your heated wheels control. You have your Uconnect apps. Climate control. It is dual zone climate. Also have Garmin based navigation. And of course your phone control. And looking within performance pages, you have your home page. You've also got your various timers, auxiliary gauges, horizontal and lateral G-forces, and your engine output. Moving down the center stack, you have redundant controls for audio and climate. You've got your sport mode button, super track pack button, lane departure warning, cross path detection, your stability control, and your park sense. Of course, your climate control, illuminated cup holders. You've also got storage in your center armrest with Uconnect inputs. And taking a look overhead, you have your overhead map lights, as well as your reading lights, power sunroof control, HomeLink universal garage door opener. You've also got a sunglasses holder, automatic dimming rearview mirror with Uconnect Assist and 911. You've also got illuminated vanity mirrors and sliding visors with slide-out extensions. Alright, take a look at the rear seat. The Alcantara and the Napa leather continue. The rear seat does seat 3 across with integrated head restraints on the outboard seats and a height adjustable head restraint on the center seat. It's a 60-40 split folding seat. Fold down center armrest with illuminated cup holders, covered storage. And rear seat passengers also have their own positional air vents, outboard heated seat controls, and 2 USB charge ports. To fold the seats is easy, just pull on the tether at the top of the seat and pull forward. Alright, look at the luggage area. It is very nice and spacious. As you can see, it is illuminated on both sides. You have a 50-pound tie-down hook on the left-hand side. And your subwoofer and amplifier for the Beats audio system. And in the trunk, your battery is located back here for better weight distribution. And in lieu of a spare tire, you do have the tire inflation kit. Alright, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this brand new 2016 Dodge Charger RT Road and Track Super Track Pack. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.